Tiny tots, tiny tots, 1 till 20. So many birds, oh there are plenty. Count them all from 1 to 20. Counting birds, it's fun for everybody. One little bird sitting in a tree, 2 little birds chirping with glee, 3 little birds flying in the sky, 4 little birds soaring up high, 5 little birds pecking on the ground, 6 little birds making a cheerful sound, 7 little birds hopping in a row, 8 little birds watching flowers grow. 9 little birds perched on flowers grow, 9 little birds perched on a wire, 10 little birds singing like a choir, 11 little birds flapping their wings, 12 little birds making a ring, 13 little birds playing in the park, 14 little birds chirping till it's dark, 15 little birds resting in a nest, 16 little birds taking a nap, oh what a rest, 17 little birds waking up at dawn, 18 little birds stretching with a yawn, 19 little birds ready to explore, 20 little birds flying more and more, more and more. Count the birds, 1 till 20. So many birds, oh there are plenty. Count them all from 1 to 20. Tiny tots.